Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use two controllers on your PlayStation 5 Pro at the same time. So maybe you're playing like Kingdom Come Deliverance and you got two controllers and you don't want to hand it back and forth. You can just go to settings right here, and then go to accessibilities. And there's an options under controller. It's called use a second controller for assistance. And just turn this on. And when you turn this on, you can sign in with a second controller. So it says use a second controller as an assist controller to let you and another person use two controllers as if they were a single controller. This feature is available when using DualSense wireless controller, etc. So we can select this now, and then when we turn on our controller, it's going to say assist user if we go to switch user right here. So you're going to have to choose an account, and if you go to the same user that you're currently logged into, it's going to allow you to do this. So don't pick a different user, pick the same one that you're on, and then you should be able to use two controllers on one account. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.